Welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino South. We're going to check out a house for sale in the Courtyards area. Let's go check it out. So let's go check this out. When you come into Portofino South, main gate, and then you come to the fountain, you take a right. That's where the Courtyards is located. So as soon as you walk into the house, to the left is the garage, but we'll check that out later. So you walk into the main room here, living room, dining room, kitchen. And the kitchens all have granite countertops. Just pan around here for you. And then off the kitchen is a dirty kitchen with cabinets and granite countertops. And then you walk through here and it goes into the garage. This door here is a maid's room, but unfortunately it's locked. So you can come into the garage here like this. But we'll walk through here on the way out. Has automatic garage door opener. So let's go back through here. So lots of space in the kitchen. And then to the right of the stairs, there's a bedroom. And this is the lower ground bedroom, facing the front of the house. Lots of windows, built-in closets. All the rooms have air conditioning, of course. In the living room, you can see it's got high ceilings with Italian-style light fixtures. And then we'll look at the patio area later. But let's go up and check out the bedrooms. Let's go up here. A little view from here, seeing down into the living room and up, and a big chandelier light above. So let's go ahead and check it out. So when you immediately come to the top of the stairs, to the left is this balcony area which lets a lot of light in on the second floor. And you can see out to the front of the house. And then we'll come into that over there is a CR, but we'll go through the first bedroom here. It's a hallway access to that CR. So this bedroom here, you can see the door to the bathroom, and it's got closets, space all built in here. And this one's got a little balcony with a sliding glass door where you can go out and check out behind the house. See, you can see the neighbor's pool there, the side yard of this house. You can see the other room over there has a balcony also. Let's go in here. So I'll cut through. I'll just show you the CR here, with shower and everything, and water heater. This little day area here is nice because it lets a lot of light in. See, built-in closet in this bedroom. And again, there's a sliding glass door where you can go up onto this balcony here, just like the other room. So let's go check out. This bedroom also has a CR with full shower and water heater. you'd like to see this property, go to philhome.com or go to Philhome Facebook. This is the master's bedroom, front of the house. See nice light fixtures, AC. Just pan around the room here. Over there is the walk-in closets and CR, but I'll show you this added feature here. You have this balcony which overlooks the park, and what's special about this house, it's in a cul-de-sac here, so you don't get traffic driving by all the time, and you have this nice park to look at. And there's a lot on each side of this house, so it's possible that you might be able to avail getting another lot next to it if you want to add on or build a giant swimming pool or something. So lots of possibilities. But this is a great location for a house in Courtyards. Great location. So let's look at the walk-in closets. Two sides, his and hers. And then this CR has a built-in tub with shower and heater and everything. So, fully equipped. All right, let's go downstairs. I'll show you the outside of the house. We'll do a little walk around out of the outside. We'll go out through the living room. Lots of windows in this house. Lots of light. Hardwood stairs here. Off of the living room, that's right, there's a CR in here with the shower. So then we go out from the living room to the back patio here. Now, so you can see those tall grass going along the side there. That's the neighbor's lot. And the shorter grass is this lot. So you have a big area out here if you want to make a small pool or something, or just a big lounge area. You can see how the little gate coming through the side there. But let's go this way. These have high walls with electric wire, so no one can climb over the wall. And Fernbrook is right next to you. You can see in the distance over here. Any stuff you see, like papers and any type of trash, that all be removed, you know, when you purchase the house. So then you can come up through here. Through this iron gate here into the garage, and you can see it has the automatic garage door opener. Lots of space. Unfortunately, this door is locked, but that's a driver's room. Or it could be a CR, I'm not sure, but it was locked. But I think this is I think that's the maid's room. And then this is possibly the CR in the garage. So as you come out of the house, you can see beautiful park in front of you. Portofino South keeps their parks pretty well maintained. Just give you a little walk around of the area a little bit. Show you this park and your neighbors if you were to buy this house. Again, this is Portofino South Courtyard area. So just pan around the neighborhood here. So nice. See what I was telling you about the lot on the left and the lot on the right over here? Possibly you could purchase that to expand. So I hope you enjoyed this video from philhome.com. And if you look down in the description, you can find the size of this house, the floor area, square meters of the lot. You can find our contact information. You can email sales@philhome.com, or you can go to the PhilHome Facebook page. All details will be below on the video. And this house will be posted in both places. So thank you for watching philhome.com, and I hope you enjoyed this tour.